Can you watch Bilibili in USA? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you whether it is possible to watch Bilibili in the USA or not. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, the answer to this simple question is no. The OP version of Bilibili is not available in the US due to geo restrictions. Now, in order to watch Bilibili in the USA, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Subscribe to Oysterpen and choose a plan that suits you. Step 2. Install the Oysterpen app on your device. Step 3. Connect to a Hong Kong server to bypass the geo restrictions. Step 4. Log into Bilibili and start streaming content in the USA. So that's all for this video. Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.